Hello guys, welcome to today's live stream by Aglogains. If you're new to the channel, I do urge you to subscribe and like the video. We will get into the crux of the content right now. So basically, in today's video, what we are going to look at is we are going to look at the current market. Okay, we are going to look at our positional trading that we have done today, the intraday trading that we have done. We have booked a loss in the intraday trade. There's a clear down move in the beginning, but obviously there's a loss booked in our system towards the ending. So I will show you why that is and what strike prices I traded. So let us quickly get to my Zerodha. Okay, so this is the positions that I have closed for today. These are all MIS positions with a total loss of 10,167 rupees that we have made for today. Okay, this is not a very big loss. The maximum loss that we take in this setup is around 30,000 rupees, right? So I'm okay with this loss. It's not anything weird or anything that we did not plan for. But let's just understand why this loss happened when there was a clear downtrend in the market in the beginning. As you all know, I take my positions at 920. So why was there a loss? What could I do to avoid that? Right? That's what we are going to discuss. Now exactly at 920, what I had done was I went ahead and I sold 44 100 put option, 43 400 call option, 150 quantity, and then it's a total of 300 quantity that I sold. Okay, so the call option was at 44269, right? So that is my this thing that I put 40 call option 44269, totally 12 lots, that is 300 quantity. This is how my trade setup look like. Okay, now you also know that we go ahead with a 20% SL, okay, on both legs. So let me just put that here as well. Okay, save all that. Right now let's see what happened throughout the day. I will keep running this in a 5-minute frame. Okay, so obviously after this the market has drastically fallen. Okay, so if you see when the market is falling, our put leg is making losses. Okay, my stop loss actually got hit at this level 522.73. Okay, that is where my stop loss was hit. So I'll just put that here. There you go, this is my stop loss for the put leg. Very simple, because at what time did this hit? Let us just check this out. This has hit around 9:59, so close to 10 o'clock candle. So let us look at what happened at 10 o'clock candle. Yeah, this is the 10 o'clock candle, right? After this big fall, here's where my stop loss got hit. Okay, now from here what we needed was the market had to go further down so that my call option would give me returns. Okay, but from this point, yani from this point here, the market had to go further down, and the more down it goes, the more returns we make. Okay, but obviously like you all see here, what happened was the market went only a little bit a few points downward. So for example, from here it has gone about I think another 40 points. That obviously gave me only 140. So 40 points of profit only was what we were seeing in the intraday. I'll show you that right now as well. So say I run this. Okay, at the peak of this time, right, at the peak of this, which is around 10:50, look at what's happening. So right now the time is 10:50, right? So I'll go 5 minutes back. One more 5 minutes. Yeah, 10:55. 10. Say one more 5 minutes. 10:50. My PNL was only 6,264, and this is how my PNL was for the whole day. It never increased or touched more than 10,000. It was 3,000, 4,000, 3,000, 4,000. इसी जगह पे it was sort of moving around. Okay. Then what happened was the market started going up against our direction here. Right, it started going up, came all the way to 43,683. Okay, now see, that's the up that we are seeing right now. So 43,600, it has gone to 43,683 also, right? But the good thing was here, time decay was helping us, and that's why I did not hit my stop loss on the call side as well. Okay. But as we kept going forward, this peak move has is what took me out. You will see that here. Okay. We are already at a target PNL of 3342, 3382. That's fine. Okay. 9,000 also I said. This is when the market came down. Okay. Time is at around 216. Okay. 11,000 we were at a profit. 10,000 we were at a profit, and that's when the market started going up against our direction. Okay. There you go. So literally at 255 we could have ended the day at around 255. Usually, like I tell you, I close all my positions. So if I would have closed all these positions, I would have ended with a profit of 4,000 rupees. Okay. So what I had done was I put an SL, okay, against this leg, saying if it falls below certain point, let me take that as a loss. And instead I had a feeling that the market would be able to break out and go further lower. Okay. But in the hindsight, what has actually happened was right from here, if you see 255 at this level, right? Market ने ये low break कर दिया था. If you see this low that the market had set up, this one. Let me just show you. This low, it had breached once, then it had breached again. Then at this level, I was like, okay, it's tried to come down. So let us see if it can go back up, take this as a resistance and come back down. But that has not happened. It has broken above that level, and immediately the next candle after 255 closed hugely above. And then here's where I think I had a loss of about 10,000 rupees. Let's see. Let's go next 5 minutes. Yup, 49268253. There, 11,000. I think I removed it at 10,000. That's when it was coming down. I just trailed that and I removed it at 10,000. Okay. Obviously, after that also, it's not like the market has come back up or come back down. It was still there. You would have either ended with a plus 10,000, minus 4,000, minus 5,000. So it's like, okay, 10,000 is a good enough timeline. See, to be very honest, the whole month of May has been very, June has been very lackluster. There has been, personally, at least for us, we have been seeing a lot of loss booking days and profit booking days. So it's overall, like even if you see today, overall my positions, I'm at a profit of 26,000. Okay. But the point is, for the day I booked a loss and I exited out, right? So the way that I look at the whole market from June, if you see, it's a very V-shaped market, right? If you see every day, almost on an average, market has not been making any decisive moves. If I have to put this in perspective, let us like actually understand this. Let us go to the hourly time frame, okay, and let us go to the month of June, somewhere here, right? So June 2nd, June 1st, okay. Now try to understand how the market has been behaving. So this is June 1st. June 1st, 9:15. This is where the market opened, okay. So this is the overall range of the market, okay, which is approximately 43,395, 43,116, and around 800, 900 points. The market has just been playing across. It opened and it's now literally, I think, like 500 points below where it started, right? 1 month ago. So point is, if you see every day on a daily basis, let us just quickly do this. I'll do this in front of you, okay. Let us look at day one. Let us start with 1st June, okay. Understand what market has done. Market has, okay, this is 31st, but that's still fine. Market came down, then market made a reverse up move, okay. Can you guys see this? Right. Now let's come to 1st June. Okay. Market significantly came down. Okay. Here, and it stopped here. But in the initial phase itself, we had made a loss in this section because you see this low. If you see this in a 15-minute timeline, you'd be able to see. Okay. But look at this. Market had come down, then market has gone up. V shape move. Okay. Now look at it again. Market has gone up, market has come down in a single day, and this has been happening constantly all throughout the time. Again, these are two days I've shown you. We can look at more days. Market started here, market came down, then market went up. Market started here, market came down, then market went up. Again, let's say maybe this. Okay. Market started, sorry. Market started here, market went up, market came down. Every day this has been happening. Every day for the month of June. So market started here, or rather, sorry, market started here, market went up, market came down. And this has been a constant this thing in the month of June, guys. And look at the last couple of days. The only times that, if you remember, us we made profit was on this day. Amazing profit was booked on this day. Okay. Amazing profit was booked on this day. Amazing profit was booked on this day. This day again, I think we made a loss. Right. Same thing here. So obviously I will post the June month's PNL also, the entire month of June month's PNL, but so far it's not looking good. We are right where we started. I will give you a complete walkthrough, but this is exactly what I've been facing, right? In a single day, having these V's is never been the case. Like if you see in the month of May, okay, just quickly I'll just show you in the month of May. See, you take any day, okay, here. Market has started, it's gone up. Market has started, it's right here. Market has gone up, market has gone up, market has come down. See, the point is this day it has made a V, but out of 5 days, there's one V. Here, out of 5 days, there are 4 Vs and one normal. I think that's the whole idea behind low VIX markets. Intraday in low VIX markets with a higher stop loss, it actually works. 50% stop loss, but for me that's too much of a risk appetite that I don't want to take. 20% SL is still 100 points. 50% SL is 200, 220, 230 points. That is not something I'm comfortable with this lot size. So that is why I do not take those positions. But I'm still very positive about the trading strategy. Let us see how it performs, and let us see how the next month's expiry will be. But I'm looking very, I'm looking forward to this week's expiry. It's the last expiry for this week, for this month. And I'm also looking forward to tomorrow, actually, very aggressively, because tomorrow, usually Tuesdays we don't trade, but tomorrow I'm looking to take a position because Wednesday is a holiday. So that's the one day that we are trying to make. Okay. Thank you so much for joining us live, guys. It's a pleasure talking to you. And if you do have any questions, or if you have any doubts that you want to know about our current strategy, I'd be more than happy to walk you through it. But thank you so much. And if you are new here, please do consider subscribing. All right. Bye bye. See you.